Good afternoon, north of 44 degrees. It has been a full minute since we've been together. Had a little turmoil at the job situation, so I had to kind of get my house in order. So we got most of that squared away. So let's get back to building this pole barn. Couple of other updates since we last talked. My wife has retired and is now living up here on the property full-time with me. So very happy about that. Some of the other things that she's done while she's enjoying her retirement is cleaning up the yard. You can see here all these trees are now limbed up, and we moved literally 4 or 5 truckloads. You can see all these trees. We cleaned out all the deadfall underneath the trees, opened up the yard. Everything's getting mown. We got about 2 acres that we're maintaining. Got all that stuff squared away. So the yard's looking awesome. She's got her yard art out. Say that one fast. And you might notice the trees are turning. So we got the maples up here are looking pretty good. Let's get inside and I'll show you what we're going to do here over the next few videos and keep this thing moving. I did spend some time cleaning up this morning. Things had been kind of getting out of control. So I didn't want to have a complete mess in here, and I need the room to work. So we pulled all of the yard equipment. Got the lawnmower to have picked up a snow blower on an auction. So I spent $30 on a snow blower. And I got a UTV coming. So we'll be able to manage the snow much better this year than we did last year. As far as the barn, what we're going to do next is we're going to put this XPS board here in between the purlins up against the steel. Then we'll insulate with rock wool, and then we are going to skin the south wall. That's going to get 8 feet of 3/4 inch ply topped with 1/2 inch of sheetrock. We'll put the rock wool in this one and then do this entire wall with plywood as well. So got all the materials here. So you got 18 sheets of 3/4 inch ply and all the necessary rock. So let's get to it. that's going to do it for tonight. See you in the morning.